Hi everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Wednesday. Sorry that you don't get to see my face today, but this video was supposed to go up on Monday and it didn't, so the intro I had filmed for this card wouldn't make sense. So yeah, I am using an image from Starjam. I can never remember if it's lines or lights. This is an image from Etsy. I will have their store linked in the description box down below. Oh my word, I'm tongue-tied. And I'm using this piece of pattern paper from the Memory Box Plaid set. If you saw my Simon Says Stamp haul, you would have seen this paper pad in that. And I'm going to be drawing my colors from this piece of paper. So per usual, I'm going to go ahead and have those colors listed right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch me color and play some music. If you want to, you can speed this up by clicking the gear on your screen and speed this up 2 times. That way you don't have to watch as much of it. But yeah, this video will be available on Saturday as a real-time color with me. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch back up with you once the coloring is done. to do some heat embossing. So I'm going to bring in an anti-static tool to remove the static, and then I'm bringing in a Versa marker. So this is basically Versamark ink and a pen, and then I'm going to add some gold embossing powder. I wanted the little dots in her hair and those floating around her to bring in some more of the gold that's going to be in the background. So it works just like Versamark ink. You can write with it. If you're someone who's good with calligraphy, etc., this is a great way to add embossing to your card or to your handwriting. So I am using, again, the paper, and then this is a die set from My Favorite Things. I can never, for some reason, I just don't know how to tell if it's going to cut a frame or if it's going to cut a rectangle. So it cut a scallop frame, and I decided I wanted a bit more gold. So I'm going to use the frame at the back of the card, and then it's going to frame the image and the piece of paper. So this is a piece of Highland Heather, I almost forgot what it was, from Stampin' Up! And then I've put a white layer on the inside, and I'm going to use some liquid glue to adhere this, but first I'm going to adhere the pattern paper. That way I have a guide for my frame. So this is just some gold glitter cardstock that I had in my stash. And again, I'm bringing in the gold because it brings in the stripes on the paper and then the gold accent on the image. Is this not the sweetest image you've ever seen? And I'm leaving this without a sentiment because this would be a really great Mother's Day card, but it would also be a good welcome baby card, those kinds of things. So you guys know I like to leave them without a sentiment until they're ready. So I brought in a We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper. This is the 1/8 and the 3/8. I used the 3/8 inside to round the corners. I felt like since the frame was rounded because of the scallops, and then the background paper was also rounded, that I wanted this to be rounded as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add some, of the Scotch mounting foam. Excuse me. And then I have these flowers from another project. These flowers are from Sizzix. I picked them up from scrapbookpal.com, and I'm going to be cutting out the larger one and the smaller one. This is out of cardstock from My Favorite Things. I don't think they have this color anymore. I think this color was retired. And this piece of paper is already backed by the Sizzix adhesive sheets that you guys know I love to use so much. So I'm going to put down this, then I'm going to add a pink one that I already had, and then I'm going to add that, and then we'll add some rhinestones. So I will have a card go live. I don't know if it goes live this Thursday or next Tuesday with scrapbookpal.com, but I will make sure that I leave you guys a link in my Facebook group and on my Facebook page. And if I can remember, I will try to link it on my community page. Just make sure that you are subscribed to scrapbookpal.com and you won't miss it. After I have added flowers, I'm going to bring in some colored rhinestones. These also came from scrapbookpal.com. They are from Honeybee Stamps. And once I've done that, that's it. This card is done. You guys, I love this card so much. I feel like I'm getting better with hair and skin tone. This is the first time I think I've done a blonde card, and I really like it. So these cards will be available Wednesday, April 28th. That is the day before my birthday and the day of my RA infusion. I'm getting my second vaccine on the 22nd, and I don't know if I'm going to feel up to putting up the cards before then. So they will go live on April 28th after the video. So yeah, thanks you so much for joining me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now, guys.